Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install LibreOffice. Using your browser, type libreoffice.org and it will take you to their official website. Find the Download Now link and click it. Downloadable file matches to your operating system. Click the download link. Open Downloads on File Finder or Explorer. Right-click and open the LibreOffice installation file. Drag and drop the LibreOffice app to the Applications folder. It'll now copy the app into the Applications folder. Now close this dialog box. Right-click the file LibreOffice.app and open it. System verifies it one more time. There's a warning, but just click Open. And there, you have LibreOffice. You can create documents, spreadsheets, presentations, drawings, formula, and databases. Enjoy and thanks for watching. See you in my next video.